Hello, Hatboro-Horsham. I'm Scott Eveslage, Superintendent of Schools, back again with another Hat Chat Minute. I'm here in front of Keith Valley Middle School, excited to talk to you about the new Keith Valley Replacement Project. While we're still in the early phases, we know one thing. Keith Valley is going to be more than just a building. It's a space designed around the student experience, learning, and innovation. Simultaneously, we are creating an educational program that the building is designed to support and enhance. Connectivity is central to the design, and KV will be able to better serve its students as part of the 21st century learning environment, where we can focus on how to foster student creativity, collaboration, and communication. Key skills we know students will need. We expect our students to occupy the building in the fall of 2025. While that seems like a long time away, there will be plenty to update you along the way. So please check out our website where you can see images, videos, and details about the project. And check out our fall newsletter, which will be coming to mailboxes soon, where you can read all about the new Keith Valley project. Thanks so much, Hatters. Be well.